Check out this 2012 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are keyless start, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, auxiliary audio input, Bluetooth connection, bucket seats and power driver seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.